Horses in. Horses out, we have Accurace past the begin, moving a party out to now is Art of Time. Labi carryover comes next, Tono Sama, Danari Inzaris to the mark, and Break of Dawn is the early trailer, and going along for the first turn, we have To the Mark, now takes the lead, Danari outside, second is Art of Time, Accurace is racing in third, carryover alongside fourth, Tono Sama in fifth, then followed by Labia, and Break of Dawn is the early trailer. We have Art of Time and To the Mark fighting it out for the lead. Accurace is racing in third, and followed by Tono Sama, carryover Labia, and a long way back to Break of Dawn. Art of Time by the lane, To the Mark, Accurace moving a party outside to take second. We have Art of Time, Accurace now moving a party outside second. To the Mark, dress back in third, and followed by carryover Labia. We have Art of Time by Oralenka. Accurace is on the outside, second, batting it out for the leader. But it's still Art of Time. Accurace is on the outside. Art of Time by Oralenka. Accurace is on the outside. Art of Time, Accurace batting it out for the leader. Art of Time, Accurace is on the outside. Accurace takes the lead, and finally, Accurace Art of Time, then comes carryover Labi. Break of Dawn, To the Mark, Tono Sama.
Ang ating datingan na pagtiyagaan niya